How to find Papa John's promo code. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how you will be able to find Papa John's promo code. So open any of your web browser and type couponfollow.com. You will land to the official website of CouponFollow. Now at the top right, you will find the search icon. Click on it and in the search bar, type Papa John's. Once you are on this page, you are going to find tons of Papa John's coupon code and promo codes. You can just scroll down and you will see 20%, 25% off, 10% off, $5 coupon card and so on. If you are interested in any of the coupon, click on the See Detail option just beside it. Make sure the coupon hasn't expired. Now you can copy this coupon and use it while you purchase. And that's it. That's how you will be able to find Papa John's promo code. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.